If gravity pulls things down, why doesn't it stop things from moving sideways? Why can I throw a ball forward and it still falls? This question unlocks a huge amount of physics. This is DIY-SCI, do-it-yourself science. Simple ideas parents can show kids. Last time, we learned that gravity pulls everything towards Earth's center. It pulls down, but it doesn't pull sideways. Let's test it. I'm going to drop this ball straight down, and at the same time, I'm going to roll this one off the table. They hit the ground at the same time, even though one was moving sideways. Gravity pulled both down the same way. So here's the takeaway. Motion can happen in two directions at the same time. The ball rolling off the table is doing two things at once. One, moving sideways because I pushed it, and two, falling downwards because of gravity. Sideways motion doesn't cancel gravity. When I throw this ball, gravity doesn't suddenly turn on. It was already pulling the whole time. The curved path you see, that's sideways motion plus gravity. The ball keeps moving sideways in a straight line while gravity keeps pulling it down. Put those two together and you get a curve. Now here's where people get confused. If gravity pulls everything the same way, why do some things feel heavier than others? That's the difference between mass and weight. Watch 103 next, so you can explain the difference between mass and weight. This is DIY-SCI. Discover science yourself.